here, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a birthday card I made for Rose. Her channel name is theroselife, and that is her second channel. I'm sure you guys know Rose. She is having a giveaway right now. Her birthday is coming up, and all she wanted you to do was create her a card, and that's what I have done. And I just want to show you guys the special card that I've created for Rose. Here is my gorgeous card. I absolutely think it came out so cute. I know Rose is going to enjoy it. So the birthday cake here you see was a print and cut file on Cricut Design Space, and therefore those are the colors. I couldn't figure out if there's a way to alter them. I'm sure there is, but I don't know how to. So I went with these colors, and then what I did was I added some shimmer up on the candle, and I used the stickles here, which I really am not super familiar with. I only have it in the silver, so I thought it would be fun to use it and add it around the cake like frosting. I added this bow, little bling. Underneath, if you guys can see, I have this little like pom-pom-y type of flat trim, and another piece of trim I did stitch on top, and that's where I drew in that teal turquoise color right down here. And then I just had the Cricut write this out or draw happy birthday, and I matted it up a couple of layers, and I used a thick cardstock as my base. And I left it blank. I'm gonna probably fill it on out. I did stamp down here for your birthday, and of course I had to use my handmade stamp on the back. So that is my card, and then I did create an envelope, and it does fit just right, but I'm a little challenged with this. When I try to create an envelope for my cards on my Cricut Maker, it just doesn't always come out perfect. So I added this little dot here, and that way it will look perfect when you close it. So I thought that was really cute there, being that there's a little gap. I just don't know how to correct that. Alright guys, that is it for today. That is my VR and birthday card for Rose. I hope that you guys have a chance to get in on her giveaway. The link will be down below in my description box for all of you guys to check it on out. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a great big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye!